because I have forgotten my mother tongue is Bangla.
Oh my goodness, you have forgotten your mother tongue in
Yes, yes.
Bangla. Okay.
I'm improving myself very well because before coming here, I didn't speak English fluently, but right now I am speaking English very fluently. Like I'm improving myself very well, sir.
Are you satisfied?
Yes, sir. I'm satisfied.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum salam.
How are you today?
I'm fit as a fiddle by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thanks for asking. How about you, sir?
I'm also pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And where are you from?
I come from Kisharganj.
So what do you do?
I'm a full-time student.
Where do you study?
Right now I'm studied at Rahat English Care.
Okay, so how old are you?
I am 17.
17 years old.
Yes.
That means you have passed ACC exam.
Yes, sir. Recently
Okay.
I have completed.
How many members do you have in your family?
Oh, there are 8 members in my family.
Okay, so what does your father do?
My father is a businessman.
Would you like to be a businessman?
Yes, I like.
You like? Okay. Could I know your full name?
My full name is Shahed Shordar. My parents and my friends call me Shahed, and it's my nickname. And I am quite familiar with this name. So it has a beautiful meaning. This meaning is weakness.
Weakness.
Yes, sir.
Do you think you are a hardworking person?
Now I'm working hard, but I'm some lazy person. I'm a
Lazy boy.
I'm a couch potato.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, sir. I practice English every day.
How long do you practice English?
4 or 5 hours.
4 or 5 hours.
Yes.
With whom do you practice?
With my uncles, with my friends, and with my classmates.
Okay, do you speak in Bangla in the residential?
No, sir. Totally, I give up in speaking Bangla because I have forgotten my mother tongue is Bangla.
Oh my goodness, you have forgotten your mother tongue in
Yes,
Bangla.
yes.
Okay, and I think that your father will watch your video. Okay,
Yes.
and your father will be very pleased to
Yes.
get your performance.
Yes, yes.
What do you love eating the most?
Oh, I like kachi biryani the most because it's my favorite.
After coming in Dhaka city, have you eaten kachi
Yes,
biryani?
sir. Yes, sir. I have eaten kachi biryani 6 times.
So why are you learning English, Rahat?
Oh, sir, it's a good question. I'm learning English because it is needed all spheres of life, and it is an international language. Suppose if I go to abroad, then I won't be able to express my feelings with foreigners without English. And if I don't learn English, I cannot lead a better life. And without learning English, I cannot get a good job in future. So that's why I think learning English is very important. That's why I am learning English.
Okay, thank you very much. Do you love traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
So have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
Yes, I visited Cox's.
And how was your trip?
It was very fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yes, sir.
With whom did you go?
With my father.
Father.
Yes.
Does your father love traveling?
Yes, my father also loved traveling.
Do you think you are improving day by day and you will be a very good speaker?
Yes, sir. I'm improving myself very well because before coming here, I didn't speak English fluently, but right now I am speaking English very fluently. Like I'm improving myself very well, sir.
Are you satisfied?
Yes, sir. I'm satisfied.
Do you love Rahat English? Yeah.
Oh, also, sir. I loved very much. I love very much Rahat English. Yeah.
Thank you very much. What's your full name? Shahed?
MD Shahed Shordar.
Shahed Shordar.